Well, today we're going to do a little video about the day in the life of the shop. I'm up here working on my truck. I'm putting some lights on the back bumper. And I'm in here screwing around, and I got a text message from a buddy of mine. He has a small project that I just happen to have the tools to do. Within a few minutes of getting off the phone with him, I got a call from my uncle, who also has another project. His is really quick. He needs a couple of holes drilled. But I happen to have a pretty big drill press and some large drill bits that just make life a lot easier, a little more accurate also. I pretty much put out an offer to anybody that I know. Come on over, use the shop as necessary.
Here's what I want to do. An acetylene torch, I just won't get that hot enough to bend it. So I want to put a hook in this one around about to here. And then this one, I want to put a circle. So it's just a matter of heating it. You put it in the vise and just tapping it around. Maybe I laid it, oh, it's probably out in the truck.
So it looks like we just need the oxyacetylene torch and get some pretty small round bar heated up, bent into some unique shapes. I'm gonna keep those glasses on, I'm gonna give you a different pair.
What's that?
You gonna keep those glasses on?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm not blind without them, but I can see pretty well without them. But I was telling you, I think the last time I was out here, I've got a little stigmatism. And a plane flew over a while back, and I didn't have my glasses on. And I thought, that's the strangest airplane. It's got 3 wings. So I thought, yeah.
Well, you're not on yet.
I need about 5 pounds on the acetylene. My trouble, this is going to suck a lot of the heat.
Oh. I got an insulator. You want to wrap it in an insulator?
Won't take much. It's already going almost red. This is part of the It's pretty good right there. Oh, that's a crack.
Yeah, we about ripped it right off.
Let's fix that.
So I can weld that up. Or
Yeah, I'll just weld it up to that.
Huh?
Uh-huh. If I had some dark glasses.
I got an auto tinting welding hood.
No, these right here.
I also got filler rod if you want some.
We got a little rod we can hurt.
A little baby thin rod.
Yeah, perfect.
You know, I got a MIG weld. It takes about 30 seconds to set up.
Well, I got to heat this again anyway, so.
Okay. Those are pretty dark.
That's fine. Come on, baby. Woohoo! It is sensitive. That's fine. That's all it needs. Just like that.
You want it to be a hook or rounded?
No, I want this one to be just a hook. I'll take care of it. There's a little crack in it, but like I said, it's ornamental. It's just going to hang there. I can fill it a little more, but. There.
That looks a little better.
Yeah. This one needs to be an eye.
All the way around?
All the way around. That should be enough. Way plenty.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Way plenty. Okay. Oh, I want to ask you a question. You know that hovel you made me?
Yep.
I was working on the trail between our yard and my neighbor's yard. And I'm just out there cutting brush with that thing like crazy. And he comes by and he says, "Where'd you get that?" He's a tool junkie too. And I said, well, a friend of mine made this for me. I said, you know, they actually came out of the fire service in California, but of removing dirt and stuff. He said, so he had a look at it, and he says, I got a whole bunch of extra shovels. And I said, well, I'll have to talk to him, but
I'll make him one.
He liked building stuff. Well, the thing is, I think you should be compensated, but you also need to know, tell you what, you hold a little heat on that, and I'll wrap it. He's the guy that raises all the dahlias.
Yeah.
And he's the one that gave your mom. Let's have a little up in this end up here, maybe, yeah. He's the one that gave your mom all those dahlias this year. Come up just a little bit. He's a good guy. I'll put some heat right here. Yeah. I'm going to go back this way.
Basically built an eye on it. It allows it to spin around some sort of hinge.
This will hook into that.
This is going to be some sort of latch. And I assume hooks on this somehow.
Yeah.
Those
Oh,
are both hot.
there we are. Yes, they are.
Time to pull off the panel under the steering wheel to get to the upfitter switch wires. Oh yeah, just destroyed my hand. That's fun. Well, it's up to you to lay it out. I mean, I don't know how you want to do that. Shoot some center punch holes on this thing. Yep. Just push hard on the back, straight down on the back. Yep, just push until it pops.
That's in your center.
Which sloppy one of this thing. This is the exact size.
So it'll go through with that, but
Well, do one size bigger. One size bigger will be good.
well, I buy cheap drill bits, so if I go through a set of Harbor Freights, it doesn't matter to me.
Right.
We're 300. Yeah, that's
Yeah, I'm sure this. So this is half inch color, but I think the OD is different.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I think it's bigger than that. Is that? I just set that bit down.
Oh, wow.
That's a half inch bit.
So it must be the inner diameter then, huh?
It's something bigger than that. I don't know how they rate electrical conduit though. But I think that's a big bits. Get the screw?
No, that one's going to 1/2 inch.
Oh, perfect.
Or, yeah, bigger sizes, you want pre-drill.
All right, so make a little plate. You guys might have seen those like campfires type cooking grills that are held up by 3 tripod legs and a little plate. So the plate goes over the top of this thing and it binds up. And there'll be a wire that comes up here and through a pulley and down to the grill, so you can adjust the height of the grill by sliding this plate up and down one of their legs. But that was stainless, so drilling through that was fun for sure. But we got it done. It's cleaned up. It doesn't seem like there's any sharp edges left. So, should be all good to go.
I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what it's like working in the shop. I always enjoy having folks come over and helping them out with projects here and there. And then in this instance, there'll be a whole video all about the truck and what I'm doing to it. So look forward to seeing that. Until next time, thanks for watching.